Okay, so what I did here was create a situation where I'm making the high side go up. I disconnected the fan, so the fan is stopped right now. And I am trying to make that condenser leak by driving the head pressure up. So I'm gonna let it get up to about 350 PSI or so before I plug it back in, because I don't want it to blow. I don't know if it has a connection or if it has a blow-off valve. If it has a blow-off valve on the compressor, you know, I don't want it to do that. I put dye in the system, so I'm making that condenser get really hot and high. See that pressure going and going? Look at the low side is going down. Oh my God, the low side. Okay, there, now it's going up. It was at 31 PSI, but as the head pressure went up, the low side went down for a while. Now I can't. Okay, now let's get that back in there. Shit. There we go. Fan is on. Hey, hear that thing making noise. Okay, so let's turn off the... Actually, I should have left it. I should have turned it off with the high pressure hot up there. I could have just ruined my situation to find a leak. Because remember, I suspect... Oh, I have the camera light off. Sorry, guys. So this was my suspected area from the last video. There's a big oil stain in here. Hey, nothing. Okay. My suspicions. That's my suspicion. I still say it's the condenser. I'm just looking for something really... Was that me bumping the thing? Or was that some... Okay, let's go back here. This is diode. No, this is infrared technology, not diode technology. When you pick up a leak, it'll zero out. So move away from it. Now move towards it. Okay. Now we got, let me reposition my hand here. I'm gonna have to get another phone again, because this one's just not. Let's come way back here. I want to get away from there. I have it on ultra sensitive mode right now. All right. See, that's what it took. There we go. I don't have to look for anything. Okay, so did you see what I did? It would not leak. It was sitting here overnight, or all day. It was 9 hours. This is the end of the day. This is like 6 or 7 o'clock right now. So this was sitting here. If there was a leak, it should have accumulated gas. There was nothing found under static. So what did I do? I ran it. It didn't leak just running it at 135 PSI. So what did I do? I disconnected the fan, made sure it didn't go over 400 PSI, and then go look for a leak. And I just made a leak. This is one of those leaks that only happen when it gets hot or really high pressure. But until then, it doesn't leak. At 135 PSI, it was not leaking. So let's see if the UV light will see something now. So let's grab the UV. Did I bring them over here? No, I didn't. There's my UV lights. So now, the shop has been in business. I started doing business with him back in 1993, 94. When I started my business, he used to be down on another street, and then he tried two shops on two busy boulevards, really high rent. It was difficult. He ended up going back to one. Doing two shops is difficult by yourself. Okay, I'm looking for obvious. Oh, there we go. Look. All right, see that right there? We got one right there. Let's see if I can find any more. I know there got to be more. And the funny thing is that where I thought I would really find a big old leak, I don't find a leak. I'm using the other light now. I'm just giving you guys different views. That doesn't shine as much with this light because the dye that I used works better with this light. Okay. So we're doing a condenser, and I'll see you guys back after the condenser is done on this Hyundai. And I'm debating, should I leave the vacuum pump overnight because it's late and I don't want to work late, and just let the vacuum pump go overnight. This shop is by my house. On my way out of the city and do all my other shops in the morning, I could just stop by this one in the morning on the first guy out in the morning. We'll see. I'll make up my mind in a little while. Oh, I know what I want to do. I want to get a match, and I want to do a little experiment here, but I want gloves on and a face shield when I do it. You want to see a flamethrower? Okay. Let's see if I'm ballsy and no, let's see if I'm stupid enough to do that. Okay. See you guys in the next video.